Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this tutorial, we'll be sharing with you a technique on how to create a hand scribbled text effect using Illustrator. So we want to start off by writing out some text. So we grabbed the type tool and we've just spelled out Creative Nerds. Now we're going to head over to Effect and we're going to select, in fact we're going to go to Stylize and we're going to select Scribble. And then we're going to change the angle to be 45, and we want to change the path overlap to be 0. We want the variation to also be 0, and then we're going to change the stroke width to be 1 pixel. The curviness will be 1%, so that's going to remain the same, and we want the variation to be 19%. And then the spacing will be 5. In fact, we'll go with 3 for the spacing, that looks a little bit better. And then for the variation, we'll go for 2 pixels. Once you've applied all of those settings, those numbers, into those boxes, we're going to select the OK button. And then we're just going to add a stroke to this text. So we're going to head over to the layer and then we're going to add a white stroke, and we want to make it about 1 pixel. 1 point for the stroke, and there you go. We've created a hand scribbled text effect within Illustrator in a matter of seconds. This is a handy technique that you can apply to further design projects. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Illustrator.